Good day, everyone. You are welcome back to Wanies Academy. In our biology class of today, we will be treating the topic digestive enzymes. At the end of this class, we will be able to understand the role of digestive enzymes in the digestive system. We'll be able to identify the main digestive enzymes and their functions, and explain the importance of digestive enzymes in nutrient absorption. Of course, digestion is simply put as a process where solid food substances in the body of living organisms are broken down to simpler forms which can be absorbed into the system. For the food to be used for building processes, replacement of worn-out tissues, for production of antigens and antibodies, the food has to be broken down to simpler forms which the body can absorb. So digestive enzymes are biological molecules. Of course, they are proteins which help break down solid food substances into smaller forms which the body can absorb. Enzymes are specific in nature. Enzymes act as catalysts, which speeds up the rate at which food is broken down in the body of living organism through the digestive system. So let's see some types of digestive enzymes. Amylase is a digestive enzyme that acts upon carbohydrate. It acts upon sugar. It breaks down carbohydrate into simple sugar, which the body can absorb. Another type of digestive enzyme is protease. Protease acts on protein. It breaks down proteinous food substances, converting it to amino acids. Lipase is another important digestive enzyme which acts on lipids or fats. Lipids or fats are the most cumbersome. They are the biggest food molecule, and such lipids have to be broken down into simpler forms which the body can absorb. The process of breaking down these lipids into simpler form is known as emulsification. Emulsification is also carried out by the bile. The bile helps break down lipids into simpler form for the action of enzymes, which later converts it into fatty acid and glycerol. Now, like I said earlier, digestive enzymes aid the breaking down of food molecules into simpler form. It allows food molecules to be broken down in a more speedy environment as a result of the action of enzymes. Now, let's see some functions of digestive enzyme. The first which I'll talk about is breaking down of large molecules. It helps break down large molecules of food into simpler form. Take, for example, if one takes yam or one takes burger, which is very, very big. You know, burger contains more of carbohydrates, contains some vegetables, contains some protein. And so such big food molecules are broken down through the aid of digestive enzymes for the body to absorb the nutrients. So they are broken down for the purpose of the body absorbing the nutrients for its metabolic functions or processes. Digestive enzymes also aid in the absorption of nutrients. So the nutrients cannot be absorbed until they are broken down through the action of enzymes. So when the enzymes allow the solid food substances to be broken down, then the nutrients are absorbed in a more simpler form. Now you can see my diagram where I have the action of what the digestive enzymes, amylase acting on bread, breaking it down to simple sugar. You see protease, which is made up of pepsin, trypsin, and peptidase, act on protein, breaking it down to amino acid, and we have lipase acting on lipids or fats, breaking it down to fatty acids. Now let's see some location of enzymes in the body of organism. Digestion starts in the mouth. So in the mouth, we have the salivary amylase, which break down starch. Salivary amylase is found in our saliva. It helps break down starch. Then in the stomach, we have the pepsin, which acts upon protein. The small intestine also contains pancreatic enzymes, which are the enzymes produced from the pancreas. Amylase, lipase, and protease. They are produced in the pancreas. They help break down carbohydrates, lipids, and protein. Now, digestion now ends in the small intestine, where the digested food substances are absorbed into the bloodstream. Let's see some importance of digestion or importance of digestive enzymes. One, it helps in the essential nutrient absorption. It allows for the absorption of nutrients. So those solid food substances are broken down into simpler form, into simpler nutrients which the body can absorb. It supports the overall health of the body. You know, the nutrients provides us with what's called materials that aids the mechanical function, materials that aids the defensive function of the body, like antibodies, materials that help provide the body with growth, materials that help replace worn-out tissues in the body. So all in all, digestive enzymes are biological molecules in the body which help break down the food nutrients. They are basically proteins which help break down food nutrients into simpler forms that can be absorbed into the body system.